Sawadee-ka. G'day, this is Ray with more information about life in Thailand. Today I'm going to talk about the public transport in cities and between provinces. Note that I said public transport, so I'm not including the obvious choice, which is flights. But before we begin, if you are retiring in Chiang Rai and need help, my wife Jen is a great time, stress and money-saving resource. Her contact details are in the description below. Thailand is known for its diverse and affordable public transport system that can take you to different parts of the country. Today, we'll take a closer look at the different modes of public transport available in Thailand, including interprovincial travel. Thailand has a wide range of public transport options, including buses, trains, taxis, tuk-tuks and motorbikes. Each mode of transport has its own advantages and disadvantages depending on your destination and budget. However, it's important to note that traffic in Thailand can be notoriously congested, especially in major cities like Bangkok, and this can make travel times longer than expected, so it's important to plan accordingly. Bangkok is one of the busiest and most congested cities in the world, but it also has one of the most extensive public transport systems. The BTS SkyTrain and MRT subway are two of the most popular modes of transport, and they can take you to many of the city's major attractions. Tuk-tuks are also a popular option for short trips, but be aware that they can be more expensive than other modes of transport. I do not know for certain why they are often more expensive, but logic tells me it's because they are a novelty for tourists. It's important to negotiate the fare and agree on a price before getting in one, and to be aware of common scams. If you're planning to travel between different provinces in Thailand, buses are popular and an affordable option. There are many different types of buses available, from air-conditioned VIP buses to non-air-conditioned government buses. My personal favorite is the VIP green bus. I've yet to take a train journey, but trains are another popular option for interprovincial travel, especially for longer distances. They're generally more comfortable than buses and offer a chance to see the countryside. No matter which mode of transport you choose, there are a few tips that can help you make the most of your public transport experience in Thailand. First, make sure you have access to a map of the area you're traveling to and plan your route in advance. This can help you avoid getting lost or taking the wrong bus or train. Second, be aware of the ticketing system for each mode of transport. Some systems require you to purchase a ticket before boarding, while others allow you to pay on board. Third, be prepared for crowds, especially during peak times. Trains and buses can get very crowded, so be prepared to stand and hold onto a rail or a strap. Finally, be aware of your surroundings and keep your belongings close. Pickpocketing can be a problem on crowded public transport, so keep your wallet and phone in a secure pocket or bag. Public transport in Thailand can be a convenient and cost-effective way to get around, both within cities and between provinces. And by following these tips, you can make the most of your public transport experience and enjoy all that Thailand has to offer. If there is something in particular you'd like to know about life in Thailand, put it in the comments below, and I will endeavor to make a video to satisfy your curiosity. Okay folks, that's it for this time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you got some value from this video. Until the next video, share, take care, and bye for now.